Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by examining the polynomial. Note its degree and leading coefficient because they set end behavior. Then factor it if possible to list zeros and their multiplicities. This tells you whether the graph crosses or bounces at each root. Next, compute the y-intercept by plugging in x equals 0 so you have a fixed point. Once done, mark those intercepts on your axes immediately. They anchor the sketch and reduce guesswork as you proceed. With intercepts marked, focus on the intervals between roots. Pick 2 or 3 test x values in each interval and evaluate the polynomial to determine whether the graph sits above or below the x-axis. Use multiplicities to decide local behavior at roots, odd multiplicity crosses, even multiplicity touches, and plot a nearby point to show the turn. Also plot a couple extra sample points, especially near suspected turning points. Make sure to keep the overall curvature consistent. With the end behavior, now connect your plotted points with a smooth, continuous curve that respects crossings and touches at roots. Avoid sharp corners. If you expect turning points, estimate their location by plotting a few nearby values or using a quick derivative check, then smooth the curve through those extrema. Finally, verify scale and key values. If something looks off, recompute the polynomial at 1 or 2 x values to confirm. If results differ, adjust the scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.